Hey millionaires in the making. Ready to learn some insane finance hacks that will help you build wealth like never before? In this video, we are going to show you the most creative ways to save money, invest smartly, and make millions. Are you ready? Let's go. Did you know that making small changes in your daily routine can add up to big savings? Our first hack is all about cutting expenses without sacrificing your lifestyle. We'll show you how to negotiate bills, find cheaper alternatives, and even get paid to do the things you love. Get ready to save some serious money. Investing can be intimidating, but it's one of the most important things you can do to build wealth. Our next hack is all about making smart investments that will pay off big in the long run. We'll cover everything from stocks and bonds to real estate and cryptocurrency. You'll learn the secrets of the pros and how to minimize risk while maximizing returns. Your hard-earned money deserves to be protected. Our next hack is all about securing your assets and reducing your tax liability. We'll show you how to set up trusts, use retirement accounts, and take advantage of tax loopholes. You'll learn how to protect your wealth and pass it down to future generations. Our final hack is all about making your money work harder for you. We'll show you how to leverage other people's money, automate your investing, and use your assets to create passive income streams. You'll learn how to build wealth while you sleep and enjoy the freedom that comes with financial independence. Unleash your potential. Start today.